Here we go, here we go. You're getting it live right now from the deck. We are having a snow blizzard, is what we call it. Oh, Jesus, it's getting windy here. My balls are flinging in the wind, or my hat on my ball, hat on my head is flinging in the wind. Anyways, here we go. I predicted that we were going to have snow this afternoon, and right on time at 12:09 Pacific Standard Time on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. We are having snow. If you're driving on the Coquihalla Connector, drive safe because we have a little bit of snow happening here. It's going to be more snow on the connector. And if you're watching while driving, please don't. You can see there's lots of snow happening towards the west. Anyways, we'll flip it over to the lake camera and we'll give you an update. There you go. You can see the Okanagan Lake. It is windy, 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 and the snow is blowing. One of my cohorts at Exploring Okanagan, giving them a like and a subscribe. Said we're not going to have snow for Christmas. I said, anyways, take care, stay safe. We'll see what's happening, and as always, peace out. Peace out. Give it an update later on. Probably have 2 inches of snow today. We'll see what the weather table says. Take care. Peace out.